this is your girl Fly Fit Vegan, lover of fashion, snatch waist, and most things vegan. Welcome to my channel. So before we move on, I just need you to do me one thing. Make sure you press like, subscribe, and comment on my video. Let me know who you are. Welcome. So for those that don't know, your girl is from Philly. And this week is an exciting week for us because why? The Eagles are going to the Super Bowl. Yes! So this week I am going to do a series of videos dedicated to veganizing foods that are typically eaten at Super Bowl parties. So the first recipe that I'm going to tackle is a cauliflower buffalo wings. Super easy, straightforward. Let's get started. You'll need a medium head of cauliflower. I already washed and rinsed it. Some sriracha or whatever you like to use to pack that heat. Salt, garlic powder, a little bit of vegan butter, and almond meal mix. Now you can use this or you can actually use brown rice flour as well. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to combine your water with your almond meal mix in a bowl. Well, I'm using a little casserole dish. Then you want to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Listen, I don't like measuring, so I'm going to wing it here. And then I'm just going to mix this combination together. Not complicated stuff here, people. So basically what this is the batter that is going to coat your cauliflower wings. After you're done stirring your batter, you're going to take a lined baking sheet and you're going to spray it with non-stick cooking oil. After that, you're going to take your cauliflower wings and you're going to dip it in the batter and just simply place it on your lined cooking sheet. See? Simple, right? So once you're done coating your wings, you're going to put it in the oven on 450 degrees for 15 minutes. Halfway through, however, you want to flip these cauliflower wings over on the other side so they cook evenly on both sides. So 7.5 minutes in, make sure you handle that. So while your cauliflower is cooking, you want to create your hot sauce combination. You want to combine a couple teaspoons of a vegan butter. I can't believe it's not butter, vegan. See? It says it on the package. And then, because I have so much cauliflower, I'm actually going to mix it with a cup of sriracha. So I'll mix this together, and then when my cauliflower comes out the oven, I'll add it to the mix. So I took my cauliflower out of the oven after 15 minutes of letting it cook, and I added it to the hot sauce mixture, like so. See? So all I'm going to do here is generously coat every cauliflower wing with my sriracha mix. So once you're done coating each cauliflower wing, you're going to add each piece back to a newly lined baking sheet that you're going to spray with non-stick cooking oil. So once you're done adding your wings back onto the baking sheet, you're going to put it back into the oven for 25 minutes on 450 degrees. After you're done cooking it, make sure you let it cool for 10 minutes. You don't want to burn yourself. It's already hot. So I took my cauliflower wings out of the oven, let them cool for 10 minutes, and now I'm ready to taste some. I actually made some vegan ranch dressing on the side. If you want me to do a tutorial for that, let me know in the comments below. Right now, I'm just hungry. Let's do a little taste test. Good. Whew. You decide to make these on your own, definitely tag me wherever. I'm on all the social media platforms. You can find me right here, right here, right here. So yeah, on Fly Fit Vegan, on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, everywhere. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.